Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you're having a great day. I just thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for another day in my life vlog. We are on the way to Ikea. I'm super excited because I'm picking up something for my room. I've been wanting to get it for a while. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, but we have a few errands to run beforehand, so we're gonna stop by the post office because I need to get some boxes to mail some stuff out. We're gonna stop by Target today. I wanna go to Ulta because my self-tanning mitt like broke. I don't even know how to explain it, but we're gonna stop there. I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Picked up like 4 different boxes because I couldn't decide which size was best, but they had them. Now we're on the way to Ikea. I'm so excited. I seriously love Ikea, you guys. We left Ikea. They didn't have what I was looking for, which is okay. It's out of stock. So we asked and they were like, yeah, you can maybe try it online, but we're not sure if they will have it online, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to Target now. Maybe they'll have something that I'm looking for at Target, but otherwise I'm just gonna try and buy it online. I really do want it. My friend has it in her room and it's super cute, but you guys are just gonna have to wait and find out what I'm talking about later in this vlog or in the next one when I actually do get it. But we didn't really buy anything at Ikea, but it's okay. It's a good trip. So now we're on our way to Target and I'm just so excited. I love going to Target. It's one of my favorites. Guys, we're in Target. We're picking up my brother some new bedding because he just needs some and I said I'd pick it up while we're at Target. So we're getting him some Target sheets and like a blanket too. Over here, this is what I love. It makes the biggest difference. Okay, we'll buy this. We are back in my room, you guys. It's been such a busy day today. It is around 6 p.m. Here we go. 6 p.m. I erased my phone today. So this morning when I woke up, my phone was like out of storage. I started removing all my apps from my phone. It was just crazy because I have the iPhone 7 and the storage on it was just completely like full and like nothing was working. It was starting to put all my apps into the cloud and it was just so frustrating. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start fresh and erase everything. I put my pictures onto my big computer, but other than that, there's nothing on my phone. So I've been downloading new apps and everything all day. And you know, it works like a whole brand new phone today, which is so nice. Unfortunately, my pictures aren't on here or anything, but it's great. So I do need to personalize it because my wallpaper is just the one that it comes with, but that is besides the point. It is 6 p.m. I got home. We had a really busy day for running errands and everything, and I thought I'd show you guys like a mini haul of what I picked up. Plus, I got a package in the mail today, which was so exciting. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have been enjoying this vlog so far. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you have, and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So I did stop into Ulta, and like I mentioned before, my tanning mitt from Saint-Tropez, this is what I bought. It's like $6, broke the other day, and my self-tan is so streaky, so I'm hoping I can fix this tomorrow because my self-tan is just so streaky. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope my hair covers it. But I picked up that. I also picked up this like Eco Tool like foot brush thing. I don't know, it was on sale and I was like, okay, I don't know, it just kind of, I saw it and picked it up. And then the last thing I picked up was this L'Oreal self-tanning, and I was so happy because if you guys have been following me for a while, this is my favorite self-tanner. I'm wearing it currently. It has like a nice glow to it, but it's not expensive. It was like 10 bucks. Honestly, it's cheaper at Target, but I can never find the shade Deep, which I love because it's such a darker tan. I'm wearing medium right now and I really like it, but the Deep is my absolute favorite, so I did pay like $3 more to get it and I love it. So I'm super excited. I'll apply that later this week. And then of course we went to Target. So I went there and I bought my brother a new bed set, like sheets and a comforter, because his old one, he just needed a new one, and I feel like boys like don't like going shopping for that. So I was like, I'll buy it for you. So I went there, and then you know when you're at Target, you just kind of pick up random stuff that you're like, oh, I guess I do need that. So I got some conditioner. So this is just the Pantene Sheer Volume. I don't know. I don't really know if the volume really makes a difference. I just like their conditioners, and I was like, this one's purple, so you know. We got the conditioner. This one's for thick, full body for 24 hours, it says. We'll see how that goes because your girl could be using some more volume in her hair. And then I also picked up some deodorant, and this is just by Secret. I have been using this lately because my mom bought a like dual pack, and I usually use Dove, but I really like this one. It smells really good, and it's just nice to switch it up and everything. And then I came home to this package in my mailbox, which I was super excited about. I love getting things in the mail, and it's just this cute little t-shirt, so we're gonna open this up together. It is from United Monograms. Hello, gorgeous little sign. And it says, hello, Kelly. Happy almost fall. We wanted to send you one of our brand new fall long sleeves. We really love working with you and appreciate you. Oh, they're so sweet. So they sent me this super cute t-shirt, and I've seen a few of my other like blogger friends get this on Instagram already, so I'm like so excited. So it is just this really fun green color, and it just has a dark black, I think that's black monogram on it. Super cute. I love the circle monogram, and this is just so cute, guys. So it says a fall bucket list on the back, and it has like pumpkin pie, tailgating, football, campfires, ghosts, scarves. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm ready for fall. Like, I love summertime. I got my little anchor shirt on and everything, and I love all the bright colors, but I just love a fresh start. Like my iPhone, I like the new, you know, and the fresh start of the season. Everything's gonna be so much fun, and I'm so excited. So I probably will bring this on my photo shoot tomorrow to get an Instagram pic because it's so cute. And then it came with stickers. So it has fall monograms, football, pumpkin spice, lattes, United monograms. This is so cute, you guys. Then they sent this little spice latte sticker, which is so cute. How adorable is that? And then they sent spring, summer, pumpkin spice, winter, which is so funny. And to be quite honest, I've never tried pumpkin spice lattes or anything, so you know, maybe that'll go on like the bucket list for this fall. And then also just their like United Monogram sticker, which is so cute. So thank you so much for sending this to me. I can't wait to share it on my Instagram, which if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, it's just at Kellyprepster. Check it out. I love being able to connect with all of you guys on there, and I also do share my outfits fairly often on there as well. And then while I was out, I picked up some boxes at the post office because I have a few things I want to send out. But that is everything I got. I am actually going out to the movies with my friend, so I think I might bring you guys along with me, but I was just gonna wear this because it's like comfortable. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in my big OOTD mirror before I get going. And we are seeing a 7:10 movie. It is 6 o'clock right now. I still have to eat dinner. I think we can manage. I think I like finally have enough time on my side. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick, and then I will go eat dinner. I know I say this almost every time when I show you guys my outfit in vlogs, but please ignore the mess in the background. I have on this super cute anchor sweater from, what is this called? Wild Fox, and it says your yacht or mine, which I just think is so cute, but I love the color of it and just like the nautical look of it. Then I just have on these Lily Pulitzer shorts. Oh, my fairy lights have fallen. So we're just gonna put those back up there. Okay, there we go. And I just have on these Lily Pulitzer shorts. They're so cute. I haven't worn these enough this summer, and I just absolutely love them. And then I just have on my sandals that I got in France. I painted my nails yesterday, and they are Fiji by Ezzy. I think they're so pretty, and I want to add one of my little monogram nail designs on here, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Then I just have my Kate Spade bow ring, my Kate Spade watch, a Lily and Laura bracelet, a David Yurman cuff, this little time like Roman numeral cuff. Then I just have on my Marley Lily monogram ring, and then just like a vintage ring on this finger, but it's all twisted around. So that is just what I'm wearing. I feel like it's such a fun, colorful, like summertime outfit. I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna go eat dinner with my family, and then I'm going to the movies. Like I said, I think we're seeing the Crazy Rich Asian movie. I think that's what it's called. I'm not 100% sure. My friend picked out the movie, and I was like, sure, I want to see it. You know, it sounds funny. Guys, we're here. Maylee's is in the car. She went to France, so she's back. We're gonna go see a movie. I'm super excited. It is 9:30. We finished the movie. It's dark outside, and we got my flashlight behind the camera. I'll turn this off. Just 4 tries or so, it's fine. I think we should tell them first. When we got there, my fault. We were late. I will take the blame for this. And there wasn't a lot of seating left, so we sat in the very front row. The whole movie, we were like,
at least we were in the center though. Because our other choice was second row but on the side, and then everything's warped, so we were like, nope, we're going for it, go big or go home.
It was a really good movie. My neck hurts a little bit, not too bad, but everything was distorted on the screen. But it was really cute.
Yeah. The head and body proportions. It's a whole different experience from up there.
Okay, favorite part of the movie, without giving any spoilers.
Well, I'm just gonna say the best friend. And her dad.
Her best friend was really funny. Okay, that was good.
And her brother. Her whole family.
I thought it was funny, like at the very beginning, I don't think this is a spoiler, they like, the picture goes viral within their little community.
That was an interesting way.
And then like, it goes back to the same point and you're like, really, that was only like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I thought that was really funny because it's like so true.
Yeah.
You guys would like it. Okay.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, sure. 5 out of 5 stars.
We'll probably watch it again at this angle instead of that angle.
Yeah, the angle
just to
hurt a little bit. But I'll update you guys later.
Bye.
I am back home. It was such a fun night. It is 11. Guys, it's 11:11 right now. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. But I got home. I had such a fun night. I just thought I would end the vlog here because I'm so exhausted and I have an early photo shoot tomorrow morning and I've been up since like 7 o'clock this morning. It's just been a busy day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I seriously had so much fun bringing you guys along with me. It's just like was a really busy like shopping, like running errand type day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And oh my gosh, that movie was just so cute. But I just loved seeing like my friend Maylise was in France for a while, so I haven't been able to see her, so it's just fun like to reconnect and everything. But I'm gonna be ending the vlog. I need to get to bed. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.